And next topic is the hexadecimal to other number system conversions. So in this one, first of all, we are converting hexadecimal to decimal. So hexadecimal base value is the 16, decimal base value is the 10. So we convert base 10 to base 16 to base 10. So in this regard, the hexadecimal digits are 16 digits. The decimal digits are 9 digits, the 10 digits, that is the 0 to 9. So hexadecimal are total 16, decimal are the 10 digits. So in this one, so decimal 0 is also indicating the 0 in the hexadecimal. D means decimal, H means hexadecimal. So 2 means 2, 3 means 3, 4 means 4, 5 means 5, 6 means 6, and also decimal 7 means hexadecimal 7, decimal 8 means hexadecimal 8, 9 means 9, and also after that 10. 10 is indicating the A in the hexadecimal, and also 11 is indicating the B. 11 means that is the decimal, and that's the decimal 12 indicating C, 13 indicating D in the hexadecimal, and also 14 is indicating the E. 15 is indicating the F. So these are the hexadecimal. So all the hexadecimals equivalent decimal values. So now, for example, we are converting 23E 16 base 16 into base 10. So 23 means it is the base 16. So 16 power 0, it is the 0th position. 16 power 0 into E, and also 16 power 1 into 3. So it is the 16 power 1, and also 16 power 2. So it is equal to 2 into 16 power 2, 3 into 16 power 1, that is the 2 into 16 power 2, plus 3 into 16 power 1, plus E means already, what is the E means? E means that is called as a 14. So E means that is called as a 14. Already I have said. E means 14. So 14 into 16 power 0, and also 2 into 16 power 2 means 2 into, that is 2 power 15 6, and also 2 power 56 into 2 means 512, and also 48 plus 40 62 is equal to 574. So it is called the base 10 value. So that in the base 16 23E base 16 is equal to 574 in the base 10. And also the next one, next we are converting hexadecimal to binary. So that how to convert hexadecimal, already we are explained. Each hexadecimal is consisting of a 4-digit binary code. Each hexadecimal is consisting of a 4-digit binary code. So 4-digit binary code means that is called as a already in the earlier videos I have explained one, that is in the hexadecimal binary. So that hexadecimal 0 means in the binary 0 0 0, hexadecimal 1 means 0 0 0 1, 2 means 0 0 1 0, 3 means 0 0 1 1, 4 means 0 1 0 0, 5 means 0 1 0 1, and 6 means 0 1 1 0, and 7 means 0 1 1 1, and also 8 means 1 0 0, 9 means 1 0 1, 10 means 1 0 1 0, 10 means not 10, 10 means hexadecimal, that is called as A. It is called as A. The next one, after that B. B means that is the 1 0 1 1. C means 1 1 0 0. D means 1 1 0 1. E means 1 1 1 0. F means all ones. So these are the codes. So these are the binary equivalent, hexadecimal equivalent binary codes. So that, for example, we are converting the next one. We are converting, for example, I am converting the 16E3F. For example, it is the base. What is the base? Base 16 is equal to what is in the base 2 value. So what is in the base 2 value? So in this one, we are converting this one. Each hexadecimal is consisting of a 4-digit binary code. So that 1 G E 3 F. So we can put 1 means already here I am saying. What is the 1? 1 means that is the 0001. So that 1 means that is called the 0001. G means what is the G? Sorry, G is not there. A, for example, it is the A. Okay, up to F only, not G. So A means what is that A? 1010. 1010. E means 1110. And 3 means 0011. F means 1111. So you can make the complete number. So 0001, 1010, 1110, 0011, 1111. It is the base 2 value. It is the base 2 value. So it is called the binary to hexadecimal to binary conversion. And also next similarly hexa to octa. So how to convert? The procedure is hexa to octa means first convert hexa to binary. The next one, binary to octa. Next one, binary to octa. So this is the procedure. So same example. What is the same example? That is the example is the same example. Convert into octa. That is called the, what is the base 8. Also observe here. So first of all, step 1. What is the step 1? Convert hexa to binary. So convert hexa to binary. Hexa to binary. So 1 A E 3 F. So 1 means 001. A means, what is the A? A means 1010. F E means 1110. 3 means 0011. F means all ones. All 4 ones. So it is the F. So it is the binary number. So it is the binary. So 0001, 1010, 1110, 0011, 1111. So it is the base 2 value. It is the base 2 value. Next one, step 2. Step 2, what is this one? Convert into binary to, convert binary to this one, convert binary to, convert binary to octal. So this is the binary. So how to convert binary number into octal? The binary number can be partitioned into 3-digit groups from the right side to left side. So 3 digit. So 3 3. You can partition 3 digits. So partition 3 digits from the right side to left side to. So in that MSB bit you can put 0. In case of any pending MSB bit you can put 0. So in this next one, 0 0 0 means 0 in the equivalent octal value. 0 1 1 means that is the 3. 0 1 0 means 2. 1 1 1 means 7. All zeros means 0. 1 1 1 means 7. Again 1 1 1 means 7. So total octal value is the 0 3 2 7 0 7 7 base. What is that? Base 8. So it is called the octal value, equivalent hexadecimal.